gavana wa kaunti ya Kakamega Kenneth Lusaka uria waritie hindi ya kuhitithio kwa Abithaa atatu a mbunge ya kaunti ino. Gukiri uguo Lusaka ni endekithitie kuhuthagirwo kwa mitaratara ya thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika kuria augite ati aya guteithia guthakara kana ukorwo magithara uteangi wa mahinda ari gukinyaniria uthii wa Nambere thiini wa matuura.
That I will at all times
obey,
respect,
having been duly appointed Chief Officer Public Service Management.
There's always good to weigh your options and find out whether you are the chance of success. Because you see, even when Moses was liberating the Israelites, walimsumbua sana. What would have taken 2 weeks took over 4 decades. Wakihangaika huko, but eventually Joshua aliwafikisha Canaan. So what we know, we would have formed this government kitambo, but now we are here. This is about next month we are clocking a year. People still pulling us backwards. In fact, I want to recommend, like in the American government, president akienda magavana anaenda na watu wake wote, so watu wake.
I plead with you, live true to your oath. Live true to your oath as you serve the great people.
Mainena modo gwitwo Kenneth Lusaka ni